Hi everyone, welcome back. We have a really quick look at Cardano and see what's going on. Does seem to have woken up in the last few weeks. So we're just going to flip to the daily, and we can see that for the last week we've been on an upward trend, and we're essentially up 50% from where we were, which is really good to see. I'm long-term bullish on this token, but I'm not going to go into why for now. All I'm going to look at is that we are having great trouble getting over the 156 mark, and we had a little go at it this morning, got rejected 2 hours straight, pulled back, and we just started up a swing, and we've been rejected for the last 2 hours. So what to look for now will either be a swing back to the previous support zone and a move where we either wick straight through and then back test, consolidate and move higher, which I do expect to play out, or we may consolidate around this zone before creeping over, something like that. Alright, what to look for once we do break free with this resistance that we're seeing at circa the 156 is a move up to 192. I don't see any major resistance between here and there, so I think once we break through here, that's it, we'll be up. From there we will consolidate. That is a matter of fact. We will probably be here for a couple of days, so I'm going to mark that blue. And that's all for now, guys. There'll be a more in-depth video on Cardano coming up. As I said, I'm long-term bullish. Is this a buying opportunity? More than likely. Is it worth watching to see that it does actually fly? You have to take into consideration that it has already had a 50% move to get to where it is. So the sell-off, let me just I'll fib the move just so we're all clear on what we're looking at. So from the low to the high, if we are topping out here, what to look for next? Yeah, I don't think we have topped out, but if we do, we would likely have a sell-off back to 145. If that doesn't hold, we'll come back to 138-ish before continuation. If the rug is pulled, which I really doubt, we could make it back to 125. That I'll mark red because I can't see that happening. So essentially, guys, there's our 4 options. We either break through, consolidate and break through, or we have a slight swing, or we tail off and come back again in a couple of days. Definitely one to watch. I'm not invested in this one as we speak, but I am looking closely at it. Long term, I can see this one doing at least a 3x, if not more. The adoption just on the gas fees alone, I think there's some really interesting news around Cardano, and they're moving slower than others are, but that's not always a bad thing. Just think of Cardano as the sleeping giant that when we come back to it in a couple of years' time, we'll be amazed that we A, didn't buy in at $1, or B, we're even considering the fact that we've held off buying in at 150. So yeah, time will tell. Not financial advice, but please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.